Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2000 Mitsubishi Pajero, stock number 5969. This ran from 2000 to the 10th 2002. It has a 6G74 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 6G74 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, 2 small dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Single stack factory stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Courtesy light. Factory 4-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.